Are you an African from any African country? I mean, are you a Nigerian, Kenya, Ghana, Botswana, South Africa, any country in Africa? I have great news for you. Do you know you can apply for a $5,000 grant? Yes, so if this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching till the end. Not only that, you also get a world-class business training for 12 weeks, and you also get access to TEF Alumni Network with over 15,000 entrepreneurs across Africa. You also get mentoring. Guess what? You also get mentoring and networking opportunities through Africa's largest digital platforms for entrepreneurs. And I'm telling you, if this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching till the end, though. Hey, and also do it. Please, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for all that you do on this channel. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for always leaving your honest opinion, your comments. And also thank you. And I also want to thank you for sharing my videos out to your friends. Don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. You know, on this channel, we like to share good information that will help all of us become a better version of ourselves. This is $5,000 up for grabs. I'm talking about free money that you don't have to pay back. So when I talk about grants on this channel, I typically talk about grants on this channel. I don't talk about loans, yes, for the most part. So for this grant, it is not going to, you don't have to repay back. Yes, so the difference between a grant and a loan is repayment. So you are not paying back. Yes, so because of course for loans you have to pay back and with the interest, but in this case this is free money. If this is something you're interested in, please just stay with me till the end of this channel. I also have a lot of grants that are coming up on this channel. Do well to turn on your notification bells. But for all the videos, I schedule them out, so go ahead and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss them the moment these videos drop. So let's go and let's get right into today's segment. Who doesn't like free money? Let's get right into today's segment. Yes, so yes, if you're seeing this gorgeous screen for the first time, this hyper queen, I know I'm hyper. I just finished the training session now. Well, my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. I drop 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me live on YouTube every Sundays, 1 p.m. Pacific time. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make it a date now. Let's have a chit chat on Sunday, this coming Sunday. This year we're going higher. Yes, so let's go over to today's freebie. $5,000 grants. Who doesn't like free money? Yes, so come with me, let's go. Do you need funding for your business, whether it's a new business or a startup? Hey guys, grants are a great way to actually fund your business without having to pay back like a traditional loan. So yes, even if your business is not established yet, there are grants that will fund your startup business to get it off the ground and profitable, just like this one. Now, so just so you know what? The 2023 Tony Elumelu Foundation Entrepreneurship Program is now open. Now, the Tony Elumelu Foundation, TEF, the Empowering Young Africans across all 54 countries, has opened its applications for the 2023 TEF Entrepreneurship Program. Yes, so African entrepreneurs with business ideas or existing businesses under 5 years are encouraged to apply. Now, for the $5,000 seed capital, mentorship, management and training, and more on the 2023 Tony Elumelu Foundation Entrepreneurs HIP. As the foremost champion of entrepreneurs HIP in Africa, in the African region, TEF, when I say TEF, I mean Tony Elumelu Foundation. Now, TEF is empowering women and men across the African continent through the Entrepreneurs HIP to catalyze economic growth, drive poverty eradication, and ensure job creation. Now, the foundation's mission is rooted in the philosophy of Afri-capitalism, which positions the private sector as the key enabler of economic and social wealth creations in Africa through TEF Connect. So the foundation's proprietary digital platform, it has provided capacity building, support, advisory, and market linkages to over 1.5 million Africans. Yes, you heard me right. Now, the Tony Elumelu Foundation Entrepreneur HIP program is open to entrepreneurs across Africa, new and existing startup, young businesses operating in any sector. Prospective applicants should now apply on the new digital networking hub for African entrepreneurs. You have a non-refundable seed of $5,000 to be given to you. Yes, So you're going to be given 5,000 US dollars, a world-class business training for 12 weeks, like I said earlier, and access to TEF alumni network with over 15,000 entrepreneurs across Africa, mentoring and networking opportunities through Africa's largest digital platform for entrepreneurs, guys. Now, here is the eligibility criteria. Applicants must be 18 years or and above, and all businesses must be business ideas or an early stage company in the range of 0 to 5 years old. As long as your business is below 5 years, you can apply for this grant. So guys, I'm going to be sharing a lot of grant opportunities on this channel. So make sure that you stay connected and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, on this channel, there are no stupid questions. Go ahead and leave your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. It might take a while, but trust me, I'm going to revert to every single one of you that leave a comment on this video. So go ahead and apply today. You know, tell a friend, don't wait right after watching this video. Make sure that you apply for this grant opportunity. So guys, I have great news coming up very soon on this channel. I have great information on how to study abroad for free. Yes, I'm gonna be sharing that on my channel. Yes, I also shared how to study abroad for free previously on my channel. Find the link right here. Now, just so you know, these videos never expire. Admissions run every year. Yes, so you can go ahead, watch the video again and apply. Use the same procedure, apply to these schools, and trust me, you're gonna be you're on your way to the United States or Canada or any country at all. Yeah, so stay connected, guys. I'm gonna be spilling the tea on fully funded conferences, and when I say fully funded conferences, I mean international conferences where they pay for your flights, they pay for your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need for the duration of the conference. Yes, by the way, I've also been a recipient of World Bank's conference before. Yes, and they paid for my flight. Yes, so guys, these are real opportunities that actually, you know, exist, but because most people don't talk about this, you know, you can find such valuable information on this channel. Yes, only on this channel. So make sure that you stay connected and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Also do well to follow me on all my social media platforms at Chastity Everything. I have great news coming up very soon on this channel, guys. Something is cooking, like cooking. I tell you, like, I'm super excited. I don't want to spill the tea, but yes, guys, YouTube has sent me another gift too. Okay, I shall be unboxing the gift very soon. Yeah, so guys, bear with me. Yes, and just so you know, YouTube sent me this, and YouTube sent me this, and YouTube sent me more gifts. But guys, thank you so much for your massive support. I can't be here without you guys, so I want to say big thank you to every single one of you watching me right now. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am super proud of you. So just go ahead and do exploits. Do not compare your life with anyone else. Just focus on your journey, and trust me, you are on your way there. Yes, you're halfway there already. So guys, I will see you at the top. Make sure that you turn on your notification bells and tell a friend, share this video with your friends and your loved ones. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. Bye for now.